Hello and welcome once again. You're watching lesson 3 of the 4 key elements of building a 100k word course. And in this course, we will discuss the best practices to create a good course title. So let us start with what exactly is a course title. When a student searches for your course in Google, let's say guitar classes online, these are the results that show up. These blue headings that you see, those are the course titles. If you look closely enough into those titles, it will contain words of the student's search query, and it will also contain some special characters like hyphens or pipe or question mark or colon. Basically, a title is your course name that tells your students exactly what they will learn from the course. So now that you have covered what a course title is, let us see what elements are needed in the course title. To know that, let us hear what experts around the world tell us about course titles. Here is what Udemy says. Focus the title on what students will learn and how they will apply the skill instead of making it salesy or big promises that sound scammy. They also mention to make the titles specific and within 60 characters. Another site, Proof Mango, interviewed top teachers in the edtech market on what they thought about the course titles. And according to these experts, the course title must be clear. It must tell how much you will solve the student problem in your unique way. And it should also have certain specific words that can evoke emotions of positivity or hope in students. Very recently, I inquired with a few accomplished teachers in Facebook, and according to them, a clear course title with an interesting student benefit is the key. So, now you got the point. This is what experts all around the globe think about course title. Now let us see how to create course title and what are the best practices to be followed. Every course title contains 2 key elements. The first one is the words, which is a mix of your subject plus the solution the student is looking for. And it will also contain special characters. The special characters are usually hyphen, a plus, a pipe symbol, and an open or closed square bracket. Now that you have seen what a good course title is, let us see how to create one using the mix of words and special characters. Are you ready to create your own course title? Let me detail you through these 4 steps. The first step to creating a good course title is to keep it simple. Start by asking yourself, what do you teach in your course and for whom do you teach it? For example, if you're teaching Java programming, are you teaching Java programming for junior software developers? Or are you teaching Java programming for class 9 students? So based on what you teach and for whom, you can create your course title in really simple language. Write it in a very direct way using the words that you know. For example, Java programming for class 9 students. It's really simple and direct, right? It communicates what you're teaching and to whom you're teaching. Now, in this sentence, try and remove any unwanted words. So for example, students can be removed as class 9 will imply students anyway. And you can even remove programming as the word Java itself will clarify that it's a programming course. So your new simple title will look something like Java for class 9th. Follow the above steps and come up with a very simple course title. Now, the second step to create a good course title is to add the student solution or query in your title. And the best way to do that is to type in your query in Google and see what students ask. For example, let us say you're teaching Java programming for class 9 students. Type in Java for class 9th in Google, which is your simple search query. It will return down all the listings. Now you can see what ideas other teachers are using in their titles. Like for example, see this teacher. He is using Java programming examples with output or Java programs, best Java programs for beginners. If you scroll down further, you can see what students also ask in Google. If you can answer those questions through your course, then add those words in your title. Think for a moment. Students are always looking out for a solution in Google. And Google already curates popular questions in the search page. Now what happens when your course title includes the solution the student is looking for? Well, the student will click it and purchase your course. That's great, right? So make sure you include the student questions in Google. And as you scroll down further, you will find more related queries like simple Java programs for beginners or Java programming exercises with solutions. So make sure you use these words or you consider these words in your course title. So now in addition to a simple course title which is Java for class 9th, you can make it more crisp and clear with something like Java for class 9th with 15 programming exercises with PDF solutions. Apart from these Google suggestions, you can add queries students personally come to you for help. Now don't try to stuff in all the queries in your title. You can include these titles in your course description, which we will be seeing later. So right now, make sure your title summarizes what your course is all about by analyzing the student queries. The third step would be to make your title a little more elegant. So far, you identified your course title and added student words. Now, how can you make it more elegant? What do I mean by that? Well, what I mean is, use special characters and arrange the words so that it is more readable. For example, my title can be changed to Java for class 9 hyphen with 15 programming exercises with solution PDF, or even something like Java for class 9 pipe symbol with 15 programming exercises with solution PDF. Once I have used the special characters, I can further simplify this title. For example, Java for class 9 with 15 programming worksheets, or Java for class 9 with 15 programming exercises. The best way to make an elegant title is to keep it within 10 to 12 words or within the 60 character limit. Most of the best-selling course creators, they use around 35 to 40 characters in their title, and that is probably around 8 to 10 words. Don't worry if your title is longer than 10 words. You can use the remaining words in the title descriptions. In the fourth and last step, let's make your title more energetic. Use words like comprehensive, ultimate, complete, secret, inspiring, hacks, etc. Suppose if you know that your student wants to learn programming to get 100% marks in the programming exam, you can modify your title and write something like this: Java for class 9th, get 15 programming hacks and score 100% marks every time. Or you can highlight how fast students can learn Java programming. With this, your title would look something like Java for class 9, create your own apps in 10 days. As always, don't bluff it if your course isn't going to help students get that 100% marks, or if you're not going to teach them how to create their own apps. The idea is to tell your students what the course will give them as clearly as you can using simple yet powerful trigger words. So with that said, let us recap our lesson points. Firstly, make your title simple. Write it down or say it aloud. Make those words as direct as you can. Use familiar words. Second, tweak your words by adding the student search terms in your title. Third, use special characters to separate the course subject and the course value that the student can get from your course. And the fourth, use trigger words, that is, powerful words into your title. Finally, make sure that your title is within 60 characters or within 10 words max. So with that said, these were the best practices for creating the course title. Before we finish, I have an assignment for you. Share in the comment section which course you're planning to launch and what your course title is going to be. Write it down and I will help you tweak it according to your course. Finally, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon to get instant notifications on course creation and marketing tips. I hope these tips help you become successful. So, come up with your course title and share it in the comment section. Let us meet in the next chapter about creating a course description. See you all. Bye.